Days into a new school year for Martin County, and students in 2 classrooms and 1 bus route are forced to quarantine. The incidents at Hope Sound and Seawind Elementary Schools involved children showing possible coronavirus symptoms.
In all, 35 students are quarantined, and tonight a parent of one of those students sharing his concern. WPTV News Channel 5's Derek Lowe with your story, new at 11.
The parent we spoke with tonight is worried about the safety of teachers in exposed classrooms and the district's current policy on how these incidents are handled.
I'm concerned with just the overall safety of the children and staff.
This Martin County parent says his child is having to quarantine for 14 days after a classmate showed coronavirus symptoms during the first week of school.
Kids that have been exposed must quarantine for 14 days, but yet the teachers are made to come back to campus and teach from the classroom.
He says exposed teachers should be staying home, but according to the school district, all teachers are essential and are only required to stay home if they show symptoms or test positive for COVID-19.
We expected that this would happen. I mean, we know that this is going to happen.
Lori Gaylord says teachers have to report to school because there are staffing requirements that have been put into place by the Florida Department of Education, and that every employee is given a temperature check each day when they arrive to campus. The parent says the policy does not protect students and staff from asymptomatic carriers.
I understand that there's no kids in their classroom, but they must make it from the parking lot to their classroom, touching multiple doors and entrances, exits that other staff members and students have to come through.
When asked how he would grade the Martin County School District through week 1,
I would probably give them a D. I wouldn't fail them because there's multiple schools in the county. We're looking at 1 week, 2 schools, looking at a roughly 30-something odd kids.
Now, when it comes to enforcing students to wear masks, school district officials say that their health and safety protocols allow for individual schools to use its discretion when social distancing can be maintained, as well as during recess. Reporting in Martin County, I'm Derek Lowe, WPTV News Channel 5.